Hey everyone, welcome back to the Freddy Frags channel. Today I bring you my first impressions on Amouage's Beach Hut Man. Now, this is my first impression. It was supposed to be an unboxing. This is the type of video I want to start bringing to my channel, but I had technical difficulties, so I had to reshoot this and the unboxing had to go, right? So you're still gonna get my first impression. I sprayed it on my skin on the first video, which was about 15-20 minutes ago. But before we get started, I would like to let you know, the bottle was sent to me by Maxaroma for review, and I just would like to reiterate that these thoughts and opinions that I want to display here on this video are solely mine. Just because I get a bottle for free doesn't mean that my opinions are altered. It just means that I got something else in my hand to bring to you guys. Now, with that said, it's the 4th of July. Happy 4th. They are having a sale right now, so you can go down, hit the link below and check them out. Hopefully you'll find something you like at a good price and you'll pick it up. No pressure here, but I believe you will find something you like. Now, moving on forward with the first impressions, here's the presentation. Is a cardboard box, pretty sturdy. You have a foam-like material with a velvety touch to it. Pretty decent presentation. I actually do like it. It's a little different from the typical Amouages where the bottom comes off, but I like this. The presentation shines in the bottle, I think. I'm not a huge Amouage fan, but I do like their bottle presentation. In this one, you have the Amouage crest here. Amouage at the bottom, some additional artwork. It says Beach Hut Man here on the other side as well. White magnetic cap, yellow stone, gold crown up on the top, and you have your juice and bottle information at the bottom, batch code and stuff as that. Now, like I said, this is my first impression. I sprayed this on a few minutes ago. At initial blast, I did get mint, orange blossom, and a weird note that I couldn't detect. After a few minutes, I think that weird note that I couldn't detect was a woodsy vetiver type scent or note. That's what I got in the initial few minutes. Now, again, I shot a video earlier and it's been on my skin for about 15-20 minutes now, and within that time, a benzoin type note came into play. I get that. I like benzoin, so I can detect it easily, and I actually like this scent. I know for a fact it's not for everyone. It is weird at the beginning so far. Again, I haven't worn it out. I don't know what it turns into. And when I say weird, it's not a bad weird. It's just a different weird. I haven't smelt anything like this, so it's hard for me to describe. I actually got my head around what I smell a little bit because I have to do a second take. But this is a good scent so far. I know it's not gonna be for everyone, so please try before you buy. Unless you're bold and do as you do, but this is not something for everyone. Actually, as I'm preparing for my second take, I actually just asked my wife, did she like it? She actually said she did, which surprised me because again, it's not a typical fresh, masculine summer scent. So that's typically what she enjoys, and this one she did like. And that's my first impression. Quick, to the point. I don't want to drag it on too long. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for quicker notifications that I drop the video. Until next time, peace. Stay blessed.